Hello, good afternoon, everyone. So this is our sixth week. How are you this afternoon? So our topic this afternoon is all about health concerns related to physical change.
Objectives: A. Discuss the health concern related to physical change. B. Appreciate the importance of health concern in physical change.
Health concerns related to physical change. Adolescents start with puberty. It is the period of sexual development among adolescents. The secondary sex characteristics happen during puberty. Every individual goes through the change of puberty at his or her own rate. Some may experience the change sooner or later than the others.
Concern in postural. You will notice a great variation in the size and shape of adolescents of the same age. This variation can be a source of concern among teenagers who compare themselves with others. During growth spurt, teenagers begin to grow at rapid rate. It also helps the bones and muscles to continue to grow properly during adolescence. Body odor. During the early teen years, the sweat glands become more active. When teenagers play actively or engage in sports or other physical activities, they tend to perspire profusely. If they do not know how to manage this problem, it may cause unpleasant body odor. Dental problem. Dental problem of teenagers includes dental caries or tooth decay, halitosis or bad breath, and gingivitis or swelling of the gums. Both dental caries and gingivitis can lead to halitosis. It is important to remember that all of these are brought about by not brushing, poor tooth brushing skills, and drinking carbonated drinks and eating sweets frequently. It leads to proliferation of dental plaque, hardens to tartar if not removed.
Lack of sleep. Many effects of a lack of sleep, such as feeling grumpy and not working at your best, are well known. But did you know that sleep deprivations can also have profound consequences on your physical health? One in three of us suffers from poor sleep, with stress, computers, and taking work at home often blamed. However, the cause of all those sleepless nights is more than just bad moods and a lack of focus. Regular poor sleep puts you at risk of serious medical conditions, including obesity, heart disease, and diabetes, and it shortens your life expectancy.
Health concerns related to social change. At this point in your life, your friend become very important to you and you probably spend most of your time with them. You meet people and form a new relationship. Concern with relationships. During adolescence, your relationship with other people change. However, teenagers often change friends as they develop new interests. This may result in breaking up with old friends. As teenagers, you must develop social and communication skills to have a healthy relationship with your family, friends, classmates, and important people in your lives. Let's see how these skills apply to some event situations in your lives. If you and if you and another person disagree on something, listen to what he or she has to say and let him know your point of view. In this way, effective communication will take place, thus preventing miscommunication. If you are out with friends, let your parents know where you are. Let them know, ask permission if you have a change of plans, like staying late with friends or sleeping over in your friend's house. Health concern related to mental change. As adolescents, you are expected to solve more complex problems than when you were children. Your thinking skills develop and can see and understand other people's point of view. Mental health concerns in adolescence may be caused by heredity, head injury or chemical imbalance. It may also be caused by stress, death of loved one, or separation anxiety. Concerns could be feeling things are hopeless, being tearful, or lacking motivation. Related to emotional change. Your emotions and feelings also go through change during adolescence and you may be experience this problem. Mood swings, intense emotions. You may be happy at one moment, then feel sad the next. This mood swing might be misunderstood by friends or family. Moodiness among girls may be due to change their estrogen level, while among boys it may be due to change in their testosterone levels. Health concern related to sexual change. Adolescents, boys experience wet dreams or nocturnal emission. This is involuntary ejaculation of semen during sleep. Although this is quite embarrassing, this is common among teenage boys during puberty. This experience may cause stress among teenagers, so correct information about sexual change will prepare them to accept this chance positively. Adolescent girls experience the onset of menstruation. Girls having their menstrual period need to be more conscious about hygiene. The old belief that it is bad to take a bath or wash the hair when a woman is menstruating has no scientific basis. There is absolutely no reason why you should not wash your hair or take a bath or shower during menstruation. In fact, a nice warm bath can do a lot to relieve menstrual cramps and premature tension. You might want to avoid cold water during your period since it could theoretically cause urine contractions that could increase menstrual cramps. Myths and misconception about menstruation. The monthly bleeding which every normal woman experiences has been the subject of so many myths and misconceptions that up to now many women still consider as gospel truth. Do not take a bath when you have your period because it will make you bald, insane, and infertile. Bathing during your period is encouraged for good reason as to prevent vaginal infections. During your very first period, you must jump from 3 steps so that your menses will last only 3 days. The usual durations of menstrual flow is 3 to 5 days. Jumping or without jumping change, our period will only last 3 days. Menstrual blood used as a face wash can eliminate pimples. It is about hormonal explanation that when the flow starts, these hormones decrease such that the glands now go back to their normal activity and the pimples disappear on their own. Eating sore fruits will make your senses painful. Dysmenorrhea can be caused by several factors. The kind of food one eats does not influence the occurrence of dysmenorrhea like sore throat. Going to a dead man wake during menstruation will take your menses baludoros. Vaginal sections have a particular smell which may be different from each woman. Tissue that have loss of and blood that remain inside the uterus begin to rec- recrutize and may give an odor like that of rotting flesh. Health concerns related to spiritual moral. Moral development is the process through which children develop proper attitudes and behaviors toward other people in society, have on social and cultural norms, rules, and laws. Every child sometimes misbehaves and acts selfishly and hurtfully. Risky behavior such as drinking alcohols, smoking, taking drugs, or engaging in sexual behavior may be related to peer pressure, may be a way to defy authority. If you experience puberty at the early age, don't feel embarrassed to talk about it. Taking your parents, responsible adults, doctor, or teacher is the best things to do. Coping skills. This will help you deal with emotional problems like being sad, difficulty, and stressful situations experienced in your lives. There are several coping techniques you can use in ordinary life situations. What are several coping techniques you can use in life situation? Support seeking strategies. Talk to friend who can do something about it. Seek advice from responsible family members, relatives. Talk to someone to find out more about the problem. Look for someone who will sympathize with you with you. Seek professional help. Problem solving strategies. Do not act hastily. Make a plan of action. Look at the problem as a challenge. Be creative in solving the problem. Come up with different solutions to the problem. Self-talk is a way to help you change your thoughts. Here are some self-talk statements that you can use as coping skills. When you are preparing for a stressful situation, you can use any of these statements. I know I can do it. It's easier once I get started. What exactly do I have to do? When you are facing the challenge, I can do this. I can only do my best. I can ask somebody for help. Coping with fear. I survived this. Relax. It will end. Take a deep breath. Self congratulation. I did it. I did it well. Affirmation. I enter the day with a peaceful thought. Every day in every way, I grew stronger and stronger.
Okay, any clarifications about our topic this afternoon? So, if none, thank you so much for your listening and just visit our e-learning site.